To ensure effective circuit protection, begin by selecting a suitable surge protection device. For your circuit breaker box, install the surge protection device near the circuit breaker box, ensuring a secure connection to the ground wire inlet. Circuit breakers, these automatically cut off the electrical flow when a fault is detected. Mounting techniques for solar panels vary based on location and purpose. Rooftop solar panels are commonly used, attached directly to the roof structure. Ground-mounted solar panels are installed on frames anchored to the ground, ideal for open spaces. Carport-mounted solar panels provide shade and energy, often with inclined designs for optimal sun exposure. The system includes a tracking system support that ensures stability and precise movement. The photovoltaic system panel surface absorbs sunlight efficiently, converting it into electricity. Disadvantages include higher initial costs for installation and maintenance, more complex systems that may require more frequent repairs, potential for mechanical failure due to moving parts,